Alright, so the installation is finished. Click on English. Let me take this protective out. And let's go click on next. We are UTC -7. Let's see, go up and down, -7. Press next. Where the frequency is 60 Hertz, mile per hour. Does not meet the requirement formatted. So you're asking you to format it. So unfortunately, the rear camera I haven't is dangling right now. That's why you see the image. So I need to do the test fit, and it is recording right now. SIM cards in there, microphone, speaker, GPS is on. It shows your time, and the middle button is to change the view. Right now, it's a front camera. Press it, rear, press it one more time to do the split, and this is to snapshot, and this is to turn off the dash cam. You're gonna touch the screen to stop recording, and this is to adjust the brightness, and you got the setting. By the way, there are many settings over here. Looping time, you can set 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Sound recording, it is on. G sensor, off. Low, middle, or high. I'm going to turn on high. And then parking mode, you can turn it on. Sensitivity, you can put on high, middle, or low. And then a time lapse recording. So when somebody hit your car or there's a collision, you can set it at 0.5 seconds or 1 second or 5 seconds. And then time lapse recording time. You can have unlimited or 12-hour continuous recording, or 24-hour or 72-hour. So normally you want to record like overnight, so you want to do like 12 hours. If you do unlimited, it might kill your battery. Well, it actually doesn't really kill your battery. There's a battery protection. Battery low voltage protection. Right here, you can set it. You can set it at 11.8, 12 volt, or 12.4 volt. Right now, it shows my battery is 13.7 volt. And for the 24 volt vehicle, you can set at 23.8, 24, 24.4. And right here, you can select the different languages. And right here is the day and time. Right now, it's a 24-hour clock. Or you can set it AM, PM. Time zone, we already did that. Now, daylight saving time, you can turn it on or off. There's a display mode. You can set it automatic shuts off. The screen is always on. Screensaver mode. Brightness setting. Right now, it's on the high. You can put low, middle, high. Volume, you can put, right now it's on low. You can put it on high. GPS information. So the speed unit is a mile per hour. Maybe I need to drive it. Screen display. So every time we turn it on, it's going to show rear. Or you could do a split screen or front. And then right here you could flip the rear dash cam. Rear view mirroring, reverse line, it is on, so I need to connect that wire and then restore factory setting. And you can move the camera up and down and stuff like that. This is the rear. And this is to do the split screen through a touch. And you can also move it from here as well. And right now it's on mile per hour. And this is your gallery right here. This is the unlock, and this is the lock video. Normally when you have an accidental parking recording, it'll be over here. And this is the photo that I took earlier. Check it and delete. Yes. So earlier was front. When the teal showing the front, this is the rear camera that I captured. Let's see again. Select all and delete. Yes. And this one is to switch the mode again. And this is to snap a picture and then lock. Alright, so right now when I put on reverse, I should have the reverse lines. There you go. Nice. Okay, I'm going to turn the key off, and then it's going to say time lapse. That means parking mode, and then the screen is going to go off by itself. So right now it's going to be recording for 12 hours continuously unless you start the car again. Let me put the key to on position, and it's going to say exit time lapse. That means your car is on. So that's how the accessory on and off works. When I turn off the key, enter time lapse. That means the parking light is going to be on. And when I insert the key, it's an exit time lapse. Okay? So right now I set up the rear view dash cam. Alright, so this is the front camera. Although I need to tuck in the wire more. And this is what it looks like. Let's go and then do a test drive. Alright, so I'm going to reverse. And you can see the line. I'm going to move it a little bit where I can see. So right now I'm parking on driveway, so I need to do some adjustment. Adjust those lines by doing left or right to get higher or lower. Depends if you have a truck, SUV, sedan, so you gotta do it, adjust accordingly, okay? Pretty cool. I like it. Alright, so as you can see, this is the recording. And then you can play the files on the right hand side. And then you can move up and down to drag the file. This is from the oldest to the newest, from the bottom up. It is pretty clear. And if you want to see the rear view cam, rear dash cam, you're just going to hit here. This is the rear dash cam. And right here is the log. This is the log files. And this is the front. And this is the photo.